Rooga on the police putting Larry Hoover in jail for the rest of his life after trying to bring the blacks together.
It used to be structure, older people getting on these young niggas' ass, making sure niggas go to school. This wasn't always about GD and B. All these gangs wasn't for to get a nice amount of niggas so we can war with these niggas. Nah, it wasn't about that, bro. GD was to bring blacks together. Larry was trying to do shit like build communities. It was more so a positive thing. The world just made it a bad thing because the blacks was finally coming together. I look at it like, if you can have Masons, or you can have Muslims, you can have police, all them is gangs. Them organizations that they came together with. What's wrong with a person coming together, bringing people together?